And on International Day Against Drug Abuse, we also focus on the hidden population of women drug users. There is a paucity of data related to them. Activists say that over half of them do not access treatment because of the lack of exclusive women-friendly treatment services.
Few women drug users step out of the shadows. Because of societal expectation of women as wives, mothers and daughters, the barriers of stigma and discrimination are greater than those faced by men. They also face a greater vulnerability to disease and violence. Yet only few women drug users receive treatment for addictions. Government de-addiction centers fail to reach out to women since they do not segregate the sexes. Similarly, privately run centers like this one are designed for men. The result, women do not access them. In Delhi, we meet 48-year-old Molly Joseph, a former nurse who's been chasing brown sugar for nearly 7 years.
But I didn't get a perfect place where I can give up. Because when you're giving up this thing, it requires some place, peaceful place, and a people who can accommodate you, give a company, talk to you, to divert your mind. My family is not with me. I'm no more with my family. I'm totally alone.
The capital has only one privately owned de-addiction center for women. But the costs at nearly 30,000 rupees a month are too high for a drug user who typically has no family support and no job. There are only a handful of exclusive women-friendly centers across the country. Women are impacted by addiction differently than men, and the psychological and physiological effects of drugs and alcohol are often more severe for women. One survey found the prevalence of sexual and physical abuse among 85% of all women drug users. Abuse leads to post-traumatic stress disorder.
There's a lot of differences between the treatment protocol for a man and a woman. A woman means she might have a small child also. So you will have to have a creche also there. When we go into the field and when we go into the slums and the hot spots, we call it, where all drug users congregate and do drugs, there are thousands of women in Delhi who are into drug use.
Activists say women drug users need alternate strategies and treatment centers must be tailor-made for them. The Indian Drug Users Forum is petitioning the Prime Minister's office to seek more treatment centers for women. Shruta Padev for NDTV.